Everybody pick up their glass. Blessed be my soul that lives on after death.
Dude!
You okay?
Dude, what the fuck is happening to me in this ship?
Oh my god, you're crying. Oh my god, you're crying.
You're not safe, and I can't promise you that nothing bad's gonna happen to you tonight. So I hope you're happy with yourself for fucking everybody else up.
Can I get another cup?
No, too late.
And I got them to let me have the entire Queen Mary. Everything.
We've never been in the boiler room.
3. Queen Mary.
I'm in. I'm in.
Fine.
There is a priest that is coming. Make sure that anything that might have been done upon us will be undone before we leave.
Can you please make both of the rods point to the area of the room that you're currently standing in?
Bed. It's the bed.
And it pointed to the bed earlier.
It's the bed.
Look!
They just liked my. Do you believe it now?
Out of here.
Okay. Alright. Fine. Attitude. For the room.
Oh my god.
I regret it.
Oh god!
Why is it like this?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the K2, Aaron.
Ooh, why?
Oh, it's already going on. We're below the sea level right now, too. Like, that's kind of weird.
Alright, before we go into the boiler room and start doing like the heavy-handed investigation for us tonight, there are 2 microphones on this camera. There's the one that is picking us up right now. There's also an EVP plugged into it. So there's a secondary audio source going through that's meant to pick up voice phenomena, paranormal voices. So with that being said, it's very possible that you guys are able to hear something that is recorded during this night that we won't be able to hear here. So if you guys hear anything like that, please let us know. This is the first time we've had a camera that can actually have multiple audio inputs, and that's how we decided to hook it up. So fair warning, that's there. If you guys catch anything,
Yeah, I don't love that.
let us know.
Wear headphones.
Yeah.
We're headphones.
You ready?
Let us know.
Touch my whispers. We should start. We should go. We should go. We should go. No, we should go.
Last overnight of the year.
We should go.
Ghosts are gonna murk Andrea.
I feel really, really uneasy right now.
Me too.
I don't really like this room.
Everyone agreed to this. I didn't make anyone drive here.
Hilarious. Wow.
What?
Wow. Nothing.
What?
As you're talking, in my head, I was like, oh, there's just like a tour guide or something walking behind you.
Oh,
There's no one in
not.
there.
Oh, there's
Is there? Swear.
No, the
Like,
guy
far-
who let us in is back there.
Far
I
back.
just
I
wanna-
swear, I just saw somebody walk. Dude, I've never seen something in the Queen Mary, and I just saw someone back there. And as you walked in front of it, like as you walked like this, it disappeared.
If there's any spirits or ghosts in this building, I am your friend. I'm on your side.
Oh my god. That's literally where I thought I saw someone standing and walking. Right there.
Hold together and protect Andrea because she's scared. This is so fun.
No, hold on.
Someone just sounded like it. What's going on? Somebody just dropped a wrench.
Did you just hear that?
Did
Did you just? Yeah. Dude, I just something whisper in my ear. Dude, I just heard it. No, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
No, you.
Wait, shh. Shh, because I heard. You didn't know? No, I did, but shh.
Did you hear that? Something whispered in my ear. If you heard that too. What?
I know. Oh my god. I want to go home.
Why does it sound like the ship is on every once in a while? Are you guys hearing that?
Yeah.
Like shh.
Yeah.
I said no.
If there is anything in this room with us, can you please make a knock, letting us know that you can communicate with us?
I can't get the camera to focus.
Did you just hear that?
Yeah, the exact
Wait,
same.
let me try. If there's any
now it's
spirit
focusing.
here, can you please turn my light off or light up this device?
The fuck?
What?
My eyes, bro. Playing tricks on me. I'm not gonna talk about it. That's weird.
No,
You just
what
go back.
What happened?
Dude, for like 7 seconds, I'm literally just standing right here and I just see this light floating like in front of my eyes, but it's not on the wall. It's like in the air floating. Like it almost looked like it was like a piece of hair that was just floating, but I could only see it but light kept getting shined on it every other second. I just saw like a piece of hair just like floating in front of me.
Can you show our device, please? So that we can prove that Corey is insane.
What was that?
Was that a scream or was that a door?
Yo, what?
This place isn't operational. There's nothing in here that works.
Okay.
There's no motors. There's no.
Wait,
Dude,
you guys.
the
You guys.
only
You
way-
guys.
It's doing what it did in Mary B340. It's making the knocks and all the bangs.
If you just don't want to talk to Andrea, can you turn it red? It's like I don't hate her.
Did you just hear that?
And the dings.
Yeah, but nothing's happening.
Make this device spike in the direction that you want me to walk, and I will follow you.
Corey. I swear to God, I'm not moving it. Corey.
And this is going crazy. Elton. Elton.
Yeah, right here. Go ahead. I'll follow you.
I'm gonna follow you. Keep making this spike, and I'm gonna follow you. That's right. Do you want me to go this way?
What the fuck was that?
There should be nothing down
Elton.
here that is operational. Yeah.
Going the right way. Keep making this spike.
What?
Oh.
Yo, let's
And then it stopped.
keep going.
Okay, I'm following
I
you.
might know where it's leading you to.
You know where it's
I've
leading
watched
you?
enough videos about this place to know that there is a particular spot to that.
Please
exit.
keep spiking so I know that I'm following you.
I'm not going to tell you where it is because I'm just curious to see if you end up going to it.
Why is it doing that?
It's pointing that way. Deeper.
Find the direction you want us to go.
What the
What?
What the fuck?
Whoa, what?
Dude.
You okay?
Dude, what the fuck is happening to me in this ship? What the fuck?
No, what?
was
Corey.
No, what's
Hey.
Hey, what? Oh, shit, you're crying. What? Oh my god, you're crying. Oh my god, you're crying. We left you alone for 2 minutes. What the fuck just happened?
Dude, I walk over to that light because it keeps going off. You see how the light's flickering?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get a minute. That actually just scared the crap out of me, and I have no explanation. The light's flickering, so I'm staring at the light, and as I'm just staring at it, I'm thinking in my head, and I was kind of like trying to talk to the ghost, like asking a question in my head, and I was like, please either make that flicker or give me another sign that you're here. And I see something in the corner of my eye moving, so I look up. This was not y'all, because this doesn't make any
No,
sense.
we were way.
Up there, on the wall, I have no explanation what the fuck it was. It was like 3 like giant arms or like some like pipes hanging, and they're just going like this. And I'm like, what the fuck is that?
If what
And then
Corey
it just
saw
fades
was
away.
you cross these.
And then it just faded away. Like I stared at it for
What Corey
seconds,
saw was you cross.
and then it just faded away. On the wall, up like dude, and they crossed. Okay.
Yeah.
It looked
Welcome
like
to the
a
Queen
bunch
Mary,
of
Andrea.
those,
Are
but
these
they were
real?
up more. And
This is real.
Like, I'm touching these and, like, I have full control.
Andrea, Corey's crying
I look back,
right
it
now.
keeps swinging, and then
This
it
is
just
real.
fades away.
I might
It just
leave.
completely disappears. That's literally what I just saw. Literally, the shadow is just going like this.
Okay, Corey.
And then it just fades away.
Remember how I said to you if you walk to the one spot in the boiler room? You walk to the one spot in the boiler room.
No, I didn't.
Go in that room.
No, it's not.
I walked in and
This
my
is-
head went like foggy.
This is the
Dude,
only.
do you see the light? Elton, dude, right there. Look, do you see those shadows on the wall right there?
Yeah.
Right there. Something was just swinging, and then it just faded away.
I just walked in there for a second and I do not like that.
This is the only place in the boiler room that they left essentially as an homage.
I don't
The
like
people
that
that-
room. I walked in there for 1 second and it
There's
just.
no way, Elton, that this is where you were telling me that
Yes.
it might lead me.
This is 100%.
I freeze right here to stare at the light, and then I see that on the
This is
wall.
100%.
Right here.
Yeah, this is it. This is. Look at the room. Look what's intact. The bed,
Oh my
everything.
God.
This is the one place here that they left essentially as an homage to the spirits that still stay here.
Wait, look. Do you see? It's gone now. But that's what it looked like. It looked like those pipes hanging from on the wall.
Okay. Well, not to ruin what's happening here, but we do have someone who's meeting us here in about 15 minutes.
I'm telling you, I walked in this room and it felt like somebody was sitting on my chest. It's like, it felt like, you know when we were walking through the suicide forest? When it was just heavy?
Yep.
Like you walk in and it's just dense.
Yep.
This room.
If this is the room that you were leading me to, make this device spike right now, and we'll leave.
Guess
Doesn't
we
want
got
you to
somewhere
leave.
else to go.
Doesn't want you to leave. I genuinely think Andrew is terrified.
She never experienced this stuff
She's
before.
terrified.
Like 100%. Yeah.
I asked it if I was like, I asked her one question, I was like, if we should leave right now.
Nothing in here should be working. No, nothing. Nothing in here should work. Nothing in here should work. Not a single thing should be running in here.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Like behind it.
In the background.
You heard that.
Yeah, what was it?
I doesn't make no idea.
Why is anything operating right now? The ship is parked on the.
Yeah, we're 30 feet underwater right now.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, this is the bottom. This is the bottom. We're underwater.
I'm freaked out. I don't want to
Well,
be
then
in
you know
here.
what? Maybe let's do this.
No,
I think
Elton.
you're like a kid who's had too many Capri Suns.
No, Elton.
We need to take away your
No,
juice.
Elton, I'm
Too much
freaked out.
sugar. This is too
But
much sugar.
No, Elton, but that's real.
Yeah. That's why we're here.
So, no, but they're telling us to leave.
No, they're telling you to leave.
So I should
But
leave.
you signed up to stay.
No.
Yeah.
We're all here for a reason. We all agreed to do this. I understand you're scared.
Yeah.
We have to really just kind of understand what we're here for. And that is because we want to experience this. And I think if we do it the proper way, which is taking our time and doing one thing at a time and really just all of us focusing our energy on one thing, this will work. Eyes closed.
Can I sit?
Sure, you want to sit?
Yeah.
Sure. Corey, did you hear anything?
The buzzer.
Anything before that?
What?
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 What just happened? What just happened?
We're good.
What just happened?
No, I just watched you do that.
Why did you just run?
Why
out?
did you run? Forward.
I was just sitting right under here, and then the whole thing just shook.
What whole thing just shook?
The fire hose.
What?
We're good.
I mean, what's creepy is that when we were all silent, I can hear water trickling. You guys
Don't
hear
say
That's what
that.
I was saying. Yeah, like over there, right?
Yeah.
Start here and then bring her to B340 if we want to bring her to B340.
We do. Let's work with a French wizard.
She lived
Bonjour.
in France. I don't think she's French.
Oh heavens, no.
Okay.
Listen. You're watching Disney Channel.
So you should have been watching the Demon Channel.
And you're watching the Demon Channel.
The whole time we've been in here, I've been looking at that.
That right there?
Yeah.
Huh? Who just saw that?
Look,
Is that light flashing in there?
did you see that, Elton?
Yeah.
Elton, you saw that. Dude, just did it again. Elton, look, it just did it again.
No, I know. There's nothing back there.
Get the fuck over here.
Corey, where?
Get the fuck over here, look. Please make the light flip.
Oh! What was that? Bro! Did you guys just see that?
If that is
Yo, what is that? What the? Looks like a tree branch or something. Look. What?
You ever met a witch before?
Who's Elton? Hi, Every.
Nice to meet you. Okay, it's November 17th, 4 days before we're spending the night in the Queen Mary, and I asked Every to come out early because she wants to practice what is known as high magic, dark magic, which takes a significantly longer amount of time than just a snap of a finger spell book reading. You asked me to bring one item from everyone. Okay, I have that. You said it didn't matter, you wanted something that they had all touched. That's a nasty tissue, a toothbrush, a hair tie, a gym towel, and from me, gum. I'm not gonna ask what you need it for.
Should.
Okay, that's all yours. You have free roam to do whatever you want. I don't want to know anything that you're doing because I don't want to obstruct the video. Evan's gonna follow you around. Okay?
Let's go.
Okay. Evan, enjoy. I don't want to know anything.
ha! Oshalavasa Shigavaka! Oshinawatsan Sarava! Shotoravachira!
Corey. Nice to meet you.
Corey, nice to meet you. Andrea.
Andrea, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
There, Aaron.
Aaron, it's so nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. What the
Hi, Every.
Jay.
Jay, it's
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, well, that's how you got down here. You obviously got the elevator.
I did. Do you want to show me where we're going? And don't worship the devil.
Okay.
There is no such thing as good and bad. It's all one.
Okay.
It's okay.
Corey is
Yeah?
not
Are you
okay.
sure?
Yeah, no, I'm just chilling. I'm just listening.
With his cross earrings.
A tear falls from. I know. I'm fine. No,
Do
seriously.
you have cross earrings on?
I just one. What's that?
You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Burn stash.
I like it. Yeah.
I like it too.
Thank you.
Where are we going?
Well, I mean, let's, I guess, talk about why I asked you to come out here. Basically, we're here for the night. There's no one else allowed in the boiler room besides us, or B340, or a couple other places. And I wanted you to basically join us to kind of enhance any abilities to either communicate with spirits or have spirits show their presence. And as far as all the research I could do, you were the best I could find. And then where were you living for the past year or so?
In the Paris catacombs.
In the catacomb. What?
What's that?
The Paris catacombs is where I think 6 million people are buried underneath the city of Paris.
That seems like a lot. 6 million?
Why there, of all places, to spend a year?
I wanted to know what it felt like to be around such darkness and death and talk to as many people as I could. But it fucks with your mind a little bit, you know?
What's
Yeah.
dark? Oh,
All the
day,
time.
Every day.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I think so.
You look really scared.
I mean, I wasn't scared before as much, but now it's.
What got you scared?
You lived in the catacombs. How did. Did you, go up at all? Ever? In the.
Every once in a while. It's a pizza.
He's slowly backing up. Sorry, Aaron's just a mile away in an hour.
She's on our team, right?
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
Keep in mind what our team's goal is tonight.
What is our goal? What is our goal, Elton?
The goal is to come out with evidence.
Alive?
But to come out with evidence beyond just rods crossing or an EMF lighting up or an audio recording that. Do everything we can with her skill set to communicate with something, some way, somehow. And there's no better place than here.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I asked her to start here and not the room that we're going to be sleeping in. Because for all I know, it works.
I wanted to get into that one. Elton wouldn't let me. He said no.
We'll see. We'll see how this goes. We'll see how this goes.
Oh, heavens, no.
All right. What's
This is gonna be crazy.
What happened?
It was very strange. I was following the K2, pretty much just saying lead me somewhere to go, and it led me to a light that was just flickering on.
Sounds like you have a special little touch. Why don't you come show me what you saw?
Okay.
What you saw.
That scares me. Because I always get told that it seems like ghosts and stuff are more attracted to me, and like stuff happens. Like when we grabbed the rods upstairs, we started playing with them, and as soon as I touched them,
Corey might be smitten, but I think you're going the wrong way, bud.
it's not that way?
No, it's this way.
I was literally just staring. See how it's flickering? It brought me over here. And then right up there was just 3 something.
We've all agreed here that we're here for the same reason, and that we're going to do whatever it is that you ask us to do, under the condition that there's nothing you're doing that is going to put any of us in harm's way.
No, darn.
Nothing that I'm gonna do is gonna hurt you. But you have to be careful in the intentions that you have in your heart, because you're the one that brings good or bad in. You know what we're here to do. So if you all want to do this, I need everyone to stand around in a circle.
No, what are we doing?
Okay.
If you're not going to be in agreement, you're going to need to leave.
No, I'll do
because-
it. No, I'm in.
Okay. Now everybody get down on the ground.
What is that?
I don't know.
We all need to be in the same mind and the same spirit, connected physically. As I'm pouring these, I want everyone to imagine that there's a ball of energy in your chest, and I want you to send it down as far as you can. And this is grounding you, so nothing bad can happen.
And what is this?
It's just a little juice. So you can leave again, or you can
No,
keep
I
questioning.
trust.
Everybody pick up their glass. It's okay. You're fine, I promise.
I've never done this before.
And then you're all gonna say, "Blessed be my soul which lives on after death." And then take a sip. Blessed be my soul that lives on after death.
What?
Had no
Is
idea.
this a pentagram? Is there a pentagram on this?
Pentagram's not the scariest symbol that exists.
You just drank out of like a pentagram chalice.
I did.
Yeah, none of us looked at that first, did we?
Did you hear what I said? The pentagram is not the scariest thing that exists.
What's the scariest thing that exists?
You don't want to know. And I wouldn't make you drink out of something like that.
Okay, alright. I got
Hey,
it.
quit.
It's okay.
You're okay. Hey, take a deep breath. You're fine.
Why is the
What was that?
fucking room rattling?
What's next?
What was that?
I
I mean, if we did this right, it's
Right
gonna,
after we sipped that,
it's gonna happen
the
more.
fucking table just shook. You heard the zzzz right behind me.
Yeah.
Why are you guys surprised? You knew what I was coming here for, and things are happening, and you're surprised? It's working. This is good.
She's not.
You're right.
This is good.
I mean,
Oh, good.
I mean, this has been like 10 minutes since she's been here, and this is.
Can you feel that? Do you feel the shivers?
Yeah.
I got chills down my whole body,
legitimately,
yes.
When you said that, shivers were running down my spine.
My whole body is tingling.
Oh, fuck, I don't like that.
My hair's worse than it ended a second ago.
Yeah, I'm calming down. I'm okay.
That's why we all drank out of the cups, and we said what we said. We're all safe in a circle, protected together.
We're good. That is true. We haven't heard stuff like
I
that.
don't fuck with that. I also didn't drink that bullshit, so I'm not protected.
I
you
saw
didn't?
you drink it. I did. So don't act like that
I didn't.
in front
I
of the camera.
said.
I saw you drink it. Then you're not safe, and I can't promise you that nothing bad's gonna happen to you tonight. So I hope you're happy with yourself for fucking everybody else up.
Can I get another cup?
No, too late. You're just gonna have to join us without the protection that the rest of us have. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, you're fine, honey.
Oh.
You did everything. You did
Okay.
everything right.
Okay. That's good to hear.
You might want to take this one seriously.
Did you seriously not drink it?
No, I didn't. What the fuck was I? I don't know what did that go?
Jesus.
Why would I drink
So
that?
how long have you been a witch? I think witch, right?
I walked in on my grandma naked when I was like 6 years old doing some weird shit. And instead of
Yeah, my dad wanted me to run his business too.
people usually make jokes when they're uncomfortable.
Yeah, I'm a
It's
little
okay.
uncomfortable. I can admit that.
So spirits, alive or dead, can feel pain, emotions. The easiest one is pain.